Now again we will start with the relationship AB square plus BC square, that is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So divide both side by BC square. So AB square plus BC square by BC square equals to AC square by BC square. The AB square plus B by BC square by BC square by BC square equals to AC square by BC square. So it is AB by BC whole square plus BC square cancel out to 1 equals to AC by BC whole square. Now what is AB? AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. So tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular by base, and AC is the hypotenuse, BC is the base, so it is hypotenuse by base. So tan P by B whole square plus 1 equals to H by B. So tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta. So these three formulas, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, where A will lie between A or theta, whatever it may be, 0 to 90 degree, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. I have explained how we have derived these three formula. These three formula are the master formula or main formula based on which we can derive many other formulas. If we remember this one, for example, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin square theta, take cos square theta in the right hand side, 1 minus cos square theta or cos square A. Here I have written A. In place of A, it may be B, C, D, theta, alpha, whatever it may be. So sin A equals to root over 1 minus cos square A. So if we remember this formula, we get the value of sin A. So this is the master or main formula. These three formulas you have to remember. From here you can derive these formulas. Similarly, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Keeping cos square A in the left hand side, take sin square A in the right hand side, so it becomes 1 minus sin square A. So cos A equals to root over 1 minus sin square A. So get the value of sin A and cos A. From equation 2, 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. So tan square A equals to sec square A minus 1. So tan A equals to root over sec square A minus 1. Similarly, 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. So 1 equals to sec square A minus tan square A. Again, one more formula we can derive. I have not written here. Sec A equals to root over 1 plus tan square A. In the same way, we can derive equation number. From equation number 3, we can derive many other formulas that you will try to understand yourself. I think you don't have any problem in understanding this derivation of formulas. Now come to the sums. Number 1, sin theta is given 4 by 5. We have to find out cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta. We know the relation between sin theta and cosec theta. Cosec theta is just inverse, opposite of sin theta. If sin theta is given 4 by 5, cosec theta becomes 5 by 4, no problem. But we have to find cot theta. Cot theta is the ratio of cos and sin, cos theta by sin theta. So first, given the value of sin theta, we have to find out cos theta. Cos theta as we have written here, cos theta is root over 1 minus sin square theta. So put the values, they get the value of cos theta. So written here, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So 1 by 4 by 5 plus here put the values and then calculate. You have to practice a lot. These sums are totally different types of sum. You have to remember the formula. Practice same sum again and again, then you can understand how it will come.